channel. I'm your girl, Ambition Right. So today we're going to be talking about lip combos for the chocolate girls, okay? We don't have enough of these, and these are summer videos, lip gloss, lipsticks, and I got my hands on a Dose of Colors Nima Tan collaboration, which I may or may not already have on my lips. You gotta watch to find out. So let's just get started. So if you're interested in my hair, for one, I do have a video on this. I use 2 different color paints. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. It'll be in the left hand corner. I think it's a little black square thing now. I don't know, girl. Or also in the description bar per usual, or just peruse on my channel. You'll definitely find it. So although we are in a whole pandemic, I think glosses is just that thing that is just bomb on skin tones, regardless of skin tones. But black girls and dark skin girls, we need specific glosses to just make it look popping even more. So honestly, my favorite one right now has to be my NYX This Is Milky Gloss in the color Milk the Cocoa. I just think it's so cute, and I like it without a liner. So I just love the hue of this milky gloss. It just looks very chocolatey. It just complements my skin tone in my opinion, and I just love it. It's not sticky. It's actually pretty hydrating. Smells good, and I like it. Another gloss is the NYX Cinnamon Roll Gloss. Now they literally just dropped the new version of this gloss because they had another one, and that one looked very like purplish gray. But this one though, it's more of a beigey nude in my opinion. It looks great on camera, but it's definitely not. This looks so good, like as a quick like keep in the car and just go type of vibe. Okay, so my 3 favorite liners, and I'll put them in order of like first, second, and third. My first being the Juvia's Place lip liners. This is in the color Cola. I love this liner, perfect for darker skin. The second one would be my NYX Expresso Lip Liner. Really good, really affordable. I find that it's a dupe actually for the MAC Chestnut, which is my number 3. I've never tried this until like a couple months ago. It's not my favorite, as you can see, is number 3, but it's pretty good for what it is. So I'm actually going to be using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner right now for this next lip combo. Alright, so I'm going to use my Sephora lip gloss in the color Perfect Nude. It's almost done, and I don't want to use it up, but this is what this combination looks like. I love the pinkish hue of this nude. It just really complements my skin tone very well. This is a very 90s type of vibe. I wouldn't wear this lip gloss on its own because it's a nudie pink, like I said, and so it's just gonna clash and it's not gonna look good. So alright, this next combo, I'm gonna use my NYX Expresso just because this one is not as deep of a brown as the Juvia's Place. So I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Cream Gloss Bomb in the color Honey Waffles. Now, I was terrified a little bit by this color, but look at this. Like, you can't tell me nothing type of like lip, like, yes. I would never, ever, ever wear this by itself, but look, like, it just looks so good. I didn't want to feature the original Fenty Bomb gloss just because that's a staple. Everyone knows that's the bomb, but literally. But I also have the Fenty Beauty Cream Gloss Bomb in the color Fenty Glow. So you could always use this by itself, but you know, I like the look of a liner just a little bit. So I'm just going to do the corners just a little bit. Like, I'm not going to overdo it. Alright, y'all will probably start to realize that my favorite lip gloss brand is NYX just because it's super affordable and super accessible. You get it at CVS, Target, Ulta, so I love it for sure. So another one, they came out with a new color, which is Fudge Me in the Butter Gloss collection. You could top this with a liner if you want, or by itself. So this is what it looks like. Again, you can always put a liner. So this is without, and this is with a liner. And a liner usually like changes the color just a tad bit, but this could be a darker version of the Fenty Cream Honey Waffles. I feel like that's what it looks like, a darker version. Alright, I promise this is the last NYX lip gloss, but they also have Spiked Toffee, which I think is a beautiful like summer color, nude color. Spiked Toffee has a mauve tint to the brown. So this, ooh, it looks so good. That's all for the glosses. Oh, I don't want to take this off. Actually, I lied. I do have NYX. It is what it is. I have the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Sandstorm. As you can see, I could never put this by itself. Alright, so this is this combination. I love this one when I want just like a basic liquid lipstick that is a nude, and it just looks really good. Of course, you could top this off with lip gloss. So I recommend the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Flying Horses. Now, I know you could just be like, well, I could just put a clear gloss over this and call it a day. Yes, but I love the color in this. It's like a, it's a nude, but it's a pinky purpley grayish nude. So it just like highlights the color in this one, like, but this by itself is really sheer, so that's why I recommend putting a liquid lipstick underneath to kind of pull out the color. So these two mixed with obviously a liner is chef's kiss. Love it. When I said I was done with NYX, I completely lied. I apologize. But we have the NYX Lingerie Xxl. I think this is new in the color Low Cut. I probably don't need a liner with this, but because I like a liner, I'm just going to do it anyway. But it's optional. And I'm using the NYX liner. I don't know what to say. I just love this color. Oh, and it feels like butter on the lips. Like, it feels like I have nothing on my lips. Oh, love this color. I don't even want to take this off, but I will. Okay. So FYI, you do need oil to remove that NYX XXL, so that means it's probably mask friendly. It won't come off on the mask. Okay, so the next liquid lipstick is by a brand. I featured this on my channel. It's a small black-owned business in Georgia. The brand is called Flawed and Beautiful. They have tons of beautiful palettes, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyeshadow pigments. I will put that video up in the eye and also in the description bar. It's best to always support black-owned businesses, small black-owned businesses, because how will they thrive without us, right? So I'm going to use, let's see, I think I'm going to use my NYX one again. This is in the color Encourage Her, and what I love about this brand is all of their all of their products actually are all empowering, uplifting messages. So there's like empower her, inspire her, encourage her, courageous, like, I love it. So this one again is Encourage Her. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's like a purpley, pinky, magenta. That's what it's called, girl. It's magenta. Summery spring color that just is really nice for dark skins. Don't be afraid to rock the pinks and the purples and the reds as darker skinned black girls, because you can rock it, girl. You can. Flawed and Beautiful lipstick is also mask friendly because it definitely would not come off and required lots of oil. Okay, so you know I had to talk about the Nima Tang and Dose of Colors collab because I got it. I picked it up, girl. So since it literally just came, we might as well just do an unboxing. I haven't even tried these out yet. So I'm excited to see what this looks like without a liner. So this one is called Penny. I don't use regular lipsticks, so this is very weird, but this is very creamy, actually. I would say this is more of a satin finish. It's not a matte finish at all. Although I can get away with going out the door like this, I would not, only because I naturally have darker areas around my lips. So it doesn't mesh well with my like skin tone. So I would have to put a liner. So this would actually be the time to try out her liner. Chocolate Chip Lip Liner. So I'm going to take this off. This is my first time trying anything from Dose of Colors too. So by the way. Ooh, this is dark, honey. This is a lot darker than I thought my Juvia's Place one was really dark for me, but this one's really dark, almost black like. And then let's put the penny lipstick on top. Ooh, girl, yes. This, okay, I'm so excited. Okay, this looks so good. Feels super comfortable. Wow. I like it. Ooh, this might be my new, oh my god, I love this. Alright, next is the gloss. It's called Egen. It's a Stay Glossy Lip Gloss. It almost looks purpley, but it's not. This is a legit chocolate. It's someone's nude for sure, not my nude, but I would definitely rock this, and if you see this in other videos, this is what it is. I like it. It's not a sticky gloss. It's just, it's perfect. I love it. Before I try the last color, I want to actually put that liquid lipstick over the, no, I want to put this gloss over this lipstick just because I saw people do that. But I do want to use a different liner real quick. So again, I'm making different combinations. I'm going to use the NYX liner just because it's not as dark as the chocolate chip liner in this line. Whoa, this is really pretty. This might be my favorite. Child, all of them's my favorite. This is super pretty. Margarita break. Lastly, we have the Like to See It liquid matte lipstick. This is very comfortable on the lips. I feel like people think liquid lipsticks are supposed to be ultra drying and uncomfortable. This is not the case. This feels very nice. I like it. To close out this video, I had to put back on the NYX lip liner with the penny lipstick and then the Egen lip gloss. This might be my new nude. So quick review on the Dose of Colors Nima Tang collection. I am here for it. I love it. I love the consistencies of all of these products. The colors are a true chocolate. There's no red undertone. There's no peach undertone. There's no pink undertone. None of that. This is a true chocolate. And as a chocolate girl myself, I can admire that. So thank you, Nima Tang. Congrats on your collaboration. I'm here for it. I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you learned a new lip combo. Let me know below what is your favorite combo that I showed today, or what is your nude summer everyday lip combo. Let me know. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Take it off to eat, or can I eat with this on? Because I just really like it. Maybe I don't have to eat. Oh, I'm still recording.